Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to contact customer service on Instagram. So there are two ways for you to do this. When you click on your Instagram app, you click on the last option below that shows your profile picture. After clicking that, you click on the three dashes that's at the top right. And then here you click on settings and privacy, which is your first option. You scroll down to help, which is the first option here. And then you click on report a problem. You can either report a problem by shaking your phone, or you can report without shaking. After clicking on that, you can choose whatever you want to choose there, and then you type in what you have a problem with. You can also attach a screenshot or upload a picture. After typing everything you wish to type, you click on send. The second way is if you see the problem, you just shake your phone and then you click on report a problem. After that, they will assess your issue on Instagram. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.